A single overlooked habit is silently shaving years off your Toyota or Honda engine right now. And the frustrating part is that Japanese engineers already built a solution directly into your car. They just never bothered to tell you about it. Tonight, you are going to learn 9 engine secrets that Toyota and Honda buried so deep inside their vehicles that even most dealership technicians have never mentioned them to a single customer. One of these secrets alone can prevent a failure that costs north of $2,000. And the last one on this list is so effective that factory engineers in Japan consider it the single most important thing an owner can do for engine longevity. But almost nobody in North America does it. Let's get into it right now. Secret number 9. The idle warm-up trap that is eating your engine alive. Every cold morning, millions of Toyota and Honda owners start their car and sit there for 5, 10, sometimes 15 minutes, waiting for the engine to warm up. It feels responsible. It feels like you are taking care of your vehicle. But here is what Japanese powertrain engineers have known for decades. Extended idle warm-up is one of the worst things you can do to a modern fuel-injected engine. When your engine idles cold, fuel does not burn efficiently. A portion of that unburned fuel washes past the piston rings and contaminates your engine oil. Do that every morning for a year, and your oil breaks down far faster than the maintenance schedule accounts for. You end up with sludge forming in oil passages that are supposed to keep critical components alive. Direct injection engines suffer even more because carbon deposits accumulate on intake valves at low idle speeds, eventually causing misfires and power loss. The correct approach is simple. Start the engine, wait 30 to 45 seconds, and drive gently. The engine warms up 3 times faster under light load than sitting in your driveway. Your oil stays cleaner and your valves stay healthier. Secret number 8. The hidden coolant reality nobody talks about. Open your hood right now and look at your coolant reservoir. If the fluid inside is anything other than the correct color for your vehicle, you might be staring at a slow-motion engine disaster. Japanese manufacturers engineer their cooling systems around very specific coolant chemistry. Toyota uses a long-life red or pink coolant. Honda specifies a blue formula. These are not just colored water. Each formulation contains corrosion inhibitors matched precisely to the aluminum alloys used in that manufacturer's engine blocks and radiator cores. Here is where the damage happens. When someone tops off with a generic green coolant from a parts store, those different chemical packages can react with each other. The mixture breaks down into an acidic solution that attacks aluminum from the inside out. Radiator passages start to pit and corrode. Head gasket surfaces degrade. Water pump seals weaken and begin to leak. The symptoms creep in slowly. Maybe the heater feels slightly less warm. Maybe you notice a sweet smell near the dashboard vents. By the time the temperature gauge climbs, the damage is already extensive. A full cooling system repair on a Toyota V6 can run over $2,000. The prevention costs almost nothing. Use only the manufacturer's specified coolant, dilute it with distilled water instead of tap water, and flush the system at the interval your owner's manual recommends. Secret number 7. The throttle body calibration reset. Your Toyota or Honda has been learning your driving habits since the day it left the factory. The electronic throttle body constantly adjusts its baseline to match how you drive, but over thousands of miles, that learned baseline can drift. Acceleration starts to feel sluggish. Throttle response becomes inconsistent. You press the pedal the same way, but the car reacts differently depending on the day. Most people assume something is mechanically wrong and book a diagnostic appointment. But there is a recalibration process that takes less than 2 minutes and costs absolutely nothing. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Let it sit for exactly 2 seconds. Now turn it off and wait 10 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times. On the 4th turn, start the engine and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. The engine management computer relearns its baseline idle position and throttle mapping from scratch. This process clears the adaptive memory in the ECU and forces it to rebuild its fuel and air calculations from factory defaults. That hesitation you felt pulling away from stop signs can disappear entirely after a single reset. Try it before you spend $100 on a diagnostic scan that might just end with a mechanic doing the exact same thing. If these first 3 secrets already changed how you think about your engine, you are going to want to hear what comes next. But first, if this kind of information is useful to you, take 1 second and hit that subscribe button. We dig deep for content like this, and your support genuinely helps us keep going. Secret number 6. The oil viscosity mistake destroying engines quietly. Modern Toyota and Honda engines are engineered with microscopic tolerances. The gap between a piston and cylinder wall is thinner than a human hair. Every bearing surface, every oil passage, every hydraulic actuator inside your variable valve timing system is calibrated for one specific oil viscosity. When someone puts in 10W40 instead of the specified 0W20, the consequences are invisible at first. The thicker oil cannot flow quickly enough through narrow passages during cold starts. Variable valve timing actuators respond slower, creating timing errors the computer constantly compensates for. Fuel economy drops and internal wear accelerates in places you cannot see without disassembly. Toyota engines with their VVT-i system and Honda engines with VTEC are especially sensitive. Both rely on precise oil pressure delivered through extremely small channels to actuate valve timing changes. Incorrect viscosity compromises those systems directly. The specification is printed on your oil cap. Follow it exactly. Not what your neighbor uses, not what worked on your old truck. Secret number 5. The fuel pump killer hiding in your driving habits. Your fuel pump sits inside the gas tank, submerged in gasoline. That is not an accident. The fuel itself is what keeps the pump motor cool during operation. When you consistently drive with the tank below a quarter full, the pump is partially exposed and running hotter than it was designed to handle. Heat is the enemy of electric motors. A fuel pump rated for 150,000 miles can fail at 70,000 if it has been running hot, and when it fails, the engine stalls without warning, sometimes at highway speed. Replacement runs between $400 and $800 on most models. The fix is the easiest one on this list. Keep your tank above a quarter full. Secret number 4. The air filter deception. Quick lube shops love upselling cabin and engine air filters. They pull yours out, show you some dirt on it, and tell you it needs replacing right now for $45. But here is what they will never mention. Your engine air filter has a recommended replacement interval that is far longer than they suggest. Most Toyota and Honda filters are designed for 30,000 miles under normal driving conditions. More importantly, a slightly dirty filter actually performs better at trapping fine particles than a brand new one. The accumulated dust acts as additional filtration. Replacing too early wastes money. Waiting too long restricts airflow. Check your owner's manual for the correct interval. Buy the OEM spec filter online for under $15 and swap it yourself in 90 seconds. Secret number 3. The parking habit silently stressing your transmission. Every time you park on even a slight incline and rely only on the park position to hold your vehicle, all of that weight loads onto a small metal tooth inside your transmission called the parking pawl. This component is strong, but it was never intended to be the primary thing preventing your car from rolling. Over years of repeated stress, that pawl wears down. Shifting out of park starts to feel stiff. You hear a clunk when moving from park to drive. Eventually, the pawl can chip or fail entirely, and your car rolls away on its own. The correct sequence takes 3 seconds. Stop, apply the parking brake, then shift into park. When leaving, shift to drive first, then release the brake. Your transmission will thank you. Secret number 2. The sensor calibration gap nobody closes. Modern Toyotas and Hondas depend on a network of sensors for safety systems like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warnings, and adaptive cruise control. These sensors are calibrated at the factory to exact specifications. But the moment you replace a windshield, adjust your suspension, change tire sizes, or even have minor bodywork done after a fender bender, those calibrations can shift. A forward-facing camera misaligned by even half a degree can miscalculate braking distances. A radar sensor slightly off-center can trigger phantom braking on the highway. These are not hypothetical. They happen constantly. After any work affecting your car's geometry or glass, ask specifically for an ADA sensor recalibration. And now, the number 1 secret. The one that Japanese engineers privately consider the most impactful thing any owner can do. Secret number 1. Shortened oil change intervals for severe conditions. Your owner's manual lists 2 maintenance schedules. One for normal conditions and one for severe conditions. Almost every driver in North America qualifies for the severe schedule, but nearly everyone follows the normal one. Short trips under 10 miles, stop and go traffic, extreme heat or cold, dusty environments, frequent idling. If any of those describe your typical driving, you are operating under severe conditions according to Toyota and Honda engineering standards. That means your oil change interval should be roughly half of what you have been following. Oil that stays in too long under harsh conditions loses its protective additives. Acids build up. Sludge forms. Bearings wear faster. The damage accumulates invisibly until something fails catastrophically. An extra oil change costs maybe $50 a year. An engine replacement costs $5,000 to $8,000. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this changed how you think about maintaining your car, hit that like button and subscribe. We have a lot more coming that dealerships would rather you never found out. Click the next video on screen right now and keep learning.